Hello students, welcome to the trigonometry module. In this video, we'll see examples of computing trigonometric functions at certain multiples of pi. Let's find all 6 trig functions: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant at theta equals 5 pi over 6. So we will use our wrapping function. We will draw the unit circle. Here is x, here is y. Here's our unit circle. And we will plot our wrapping function. Here's our theta axis. We will go from 0 up to 5 pi over 6, and we will wrap it around. And when we wrap around 5 pi over 6, we'll get to this value over here. We recall from the 5 pi over 6 video that the wrapping function at this point will correspond to the value negative root 3 over 2, 1/2. So this is my x value, and this is my y value. And we recall now that if the wrapping function of theta is x, y, then x is the cosine of theta, y is the sine of theta, y over x is the tangent of theta, and then the reciprocals of these, x to the negative 1 power is secant of theta, y to the negative 1 power is cosecant of theta, and x over y is the reciprocal of tangent, which we call cotangent of theta. So, using this relationship, we have the cosine of 5 pi over 6 is the x component of the wrapping function, which is negative root 3 over 2. The sine of 5 pi over 6 is the y component of the wrapping function at 5 pi over 6, which is 1/2. And the tangent of 5 pi over 6 will be the ratio of sine and cosine, so I'll have a negative 1 over the square root of 3. The secant of theta will therefore be negative 2 over the square root of 3. The cosecant of theta will be the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2. And the cotangent of theta will be negative square root of 3, where here in this case theta is exactly 5 pi over 6. We can see that there are certain points also that we should note that the tangent of pi over 2 will be the ratio of y over x, where the wrapping function of pi over 2 is xy. But at pi over 2, we're up here at this point, which is 0, 1. So that will tell us the tangent of theta at the point pi over 2 will be 1 over 0, which is undefined. Similarly, if we look at the cotangent of a point like pi, we see that pi will correspond to negative 1, 0 with the wrapping function. So the cotangent of pi will be x, which is negative 1, over y, which is 0, and this will also be undefined. So the functions tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant do not exist or are undefined at certain values of theta. Thank you very much.